Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jillian Berry and I'm really excited for today's video. It's going to be super quick and I'm going to let you guys know exactly what my YouTube channel has been making per month. So my channel in the last couple of months has gone from around 20 to 25,000 subscribers. So I thought what better than to let everybody know where it's at, what people make when they're around 25,000 subscribers. And what really inspired me to make this video was I saw a YouTuber last week saying how even YouTubers, when they have hundreds of thousands of subscribers, they're making no more than 1,000 to 1,500 per month on YouTube. And that's simply not true because my channel is making more than that. And I'm excited to let you guys know the numbers in a minute and what exactly it is making. So give this video a big thumbs up right now. Be sure to subscribe if you don't already. And let's get right into it, you guys. So I started my channel about 1.5 years ago. I did a video a few months back letting you guys know all of that, how long it took me to get monetized and what it was making then. So I will link that down below. So go check that out for more details. This video is just going to be super, super quick. But the reason why I wanted to do this video also is to hopefully inspire somebody to get out there and start your own channel, because I'm excited that I'm monetized and I'm making a little bit of money doing something that I absolutely love. My background is real estate and I would be making more if I was hustling real estate full time, but now I am hustling my channel full time and I absolutely love it. I get excited to wake up every morning and make videos for you guys. And besides spending time with my family, nothing on earth makes me happier. Let's get right into it. Let's get right into the numbers because I know that's why you guys are here. And I'm so excited to share these with you guys. So people can make more than 1,000, 1,500 a month. And I'm going to let you know that what my 25,000 subscriber channel makes. Okay, so with the YouTube analytics, which I will put some on the screen right now, they are behind about a month. So I'm going to be going back a couple of months. So from the period of August 1st to 31st, which I actually got paid for on September 21st through direct deposit, I actually earned $4,160.24 Canadian. So this was in the analytics, approximately 3,220.48 because the analytics are in US dollars. So I thought that was pretty amazing. The actual check was over $4,000. It was 4,160.24. So that's what paid out to me on September 21st. And it's pretty good for a channel that's this. I still consider my channel quite small. It's growing, which is absolutely amazing. And it's my heart and soul. But that's pretty amazing. So let's get on to the next month and I'll tell you guys what the next month made. So from September 1st to 30th, I will put these analytics on the screen right now as well. So in US dollars, it was 3,445.31 approximately US. And the payment ended up being in my bank account for 4,583.18. So not too bad, pretty close to $5,000 a month. And that is from the AdSense. So that is not from selling anything. That is just from the ads that I let YouTube place on the videos, which is absolutely amazing. But otherwise, I don't push too much on my channel. I love just making videos and being a YouTuber. So it's pretty nice that this size, it's making that much. I do have costs and I do put everything I make back into my channel. So I guess you could say it's not really making anything because I invest everything back into it, but that's my choice. And I am happy to do that. And this month I was also gifted a juicer that was worth about 700 US and a couple other things. So I guess if you added everything together, it's over 5,000. And if I was hustling and selling more things, I'm sure I could have no problem making $10,000 a month. So it's pretty awesome. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this update and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.